Hey everyone, I hope you are doing well. In this video, I will show you how to transfer money from PayPal to your Bybit. So make sure to watch this video till the end. So first thing you need to do is open up your PayPal app and then log in your account. After you do that, you need to click on this wallet icon from the bottom of your screen. Then this will open up this screen. So from here you have to first link a bank account to your Cash app, sorry your PayPal. So just click on this add banks and cards option. Then it will show you two options. First is banks and debit credit card, so just click on banks option. Then you need to choose your bank account from this list of your bank. If you don't find your bank account here, you can also use this search bar to search for your bank. So just search it from here and then log in with your bank credentials. Once you link your bank account to your PayPal, what you need to do is just click on your balance. Then it will show you this similar screen. So from here you have to click on this transfer button. Then it will show you two options, transfer money and get cash. So click on this first option, transfer money. Right after that you need to choose a transfer speed, so you can choose in minutes or 1 to 3 business days, but keep in mind that the faster speed will cost you the 25 cents as a fee, so you can choose any of them. Then you need to choose the bank account that you have linked in two section, so you can simply click on this change button to change your bank account and select the bank account that we have linked earlier. So after that you need to click on this transfer button at the bottom, and as soon as you do click on it, your money will be transferred from PayPal to your bank account. Now once this money has been transferred to your bank account, you need to open up your Bybit app. Then this screen will look like this. So from here you have to click on this more option. Then this will show you this bunch of options. So from here you have to click this first option, deposit. Then from here I have to click on this fiat option after the cryptocurrency option. Then from here you can choose any currency that you want to add in your wallet. So you can choose euro or the USDT option. So choose any one that you want. After that you need to enter the amount that you want to add in your account, and then from this payment method you need to choose this method, easy bank payment. Then you need to click on this checkbox and click on this continue button. Then you need to add your bank details, so just select your country, bank name, and then from here you can choose as SEPA credit or SEPA instant, but keep in mind that this second option as SEPA instant will cost some fee, but the first option will take some time to deliver the money, but it is free. So choose any of that you want, and then you also need to enter your IBAN number, so enter it and then click on this checkbox and click on this continue button. Then it will ask you to verify everything. Now you need to check your amount, so make sure it is correct and then click on this pay button, and that's all you need to do, and you will get your payment in your choosing time period. So I hope this video was helpful. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel.